There comes a time in life when you must walk alone, not because no one cares, but because your vision is yours and yours and yours. The world does not hand success to those who wait for permission. It rewards those who dare to believe in themselves before anyone else does. If you wait for others to understand your dreams, you won't wait forever. If you seek approval before you take action, you may never move. The truth is, every great achievement begins in solitude, when no one else is watching, when no one else believes, when it's just you and the power of your own conviction. This journey is not for the weak. It is for those who trust in their own vision, who embrace the discomfort of being different, and who refuse to let doubt shape their future. If you can stand strong in your belief, if you can act as if success is already yours, then the world will have no choice but to follow. Are you ready to take that step? To walk alone, not with fear, but with unwavering faith? If so, let's begin. Imagination shapes reality. Everything you experience in life is a reflection of the thoughts you hold in your mind. The world around you is not separate from you. It is shaped by the beliefs you entertain, the emotions you cultivate, and the assumptions you accept as true. If you look around and see limitations, obstacles, and struggles, it is not because the world is against you, but because your internal state is projecting those experiences outward. Consider this: every great achievement, every remarkable success began as a thought. A person no different from you once imagined something beyond their current reality. They held that vision with unwavering certainty, refusing to let doubt shake their belief. Over time, the unseen work of their mind transformed into tangible results. The key lies in this: what you consistently focus on, you attract. If you dwell on failure, you reinforce it. If you dwell on success, you bring it to life. Most people believe that external circumstances dictate their reality. They wait for signs, for opportunities, for someone else to validate their dreams. But those who understand the power of the mind know that the process works in reverse. Change your inner world, and your outer world must follow. Instead of reacting to what is, start creating what will be. This means seeing yourself as the person you wish to become before any evidence exists. It means speaking, thinking, and acting as though your success is inevitable. It requires discipline, because the world will tempt you to believe in what is rather than what can be. But if you persist, if you remain firm in your imagination, the world will reshape itself to match your vision. No one else can do this for you. You cannot borrow belief from another. You must cultivate it yourself in solitude, in silence, and with complete trust. Because the moment you truly see yourself as capable, powerful, and successful, the world has no choice but to reflect that reality back to you. Self-reliance is the path to mastery. No one is coming to save you. No one will hand you success. If you wait for the perfect circumstances, for someone to guide you every step of the way, you may wait forever. The truth is, the greatest achievements in life are built on self-reliance, on the willingness to take action without permission, without applause, and without the need for validation. Too often, people hesitate because they feel unprepared. They need more knowledge, more resources, or more support before they begin. But the masters of any craft, the leaders, the pioneers, the visionaries, did not wait until they felt ready. They stepped forward in uncertainty, trusting that they would figure it out along the way. What separates those who succeed from those who remain stuck is the decision to move forward despite the unknown. Relying on others to believe in you first is a dangerous game, not because people don't care, but because they cannot see the vision that exists in your mind. You are the only one who knows what you are truly capable of. You are the only one who can decide to rise above doubt, distractions, and excuses. Mastery comes from doing, from failing, from refining, and from pushing forward when no one is watching. It comes from long nights of effort, from moments of solitude where you wrestle with your own doubts and still choose to move forward. It is in these moments when no one is there to encourage you that your strength is truly built. If you wish to create a life of significance, you must become your own greatest source of motivation. You must rely on yourself, not because you reject the support of others, but because you understand that true success begins within. When you stop waiting and start acting, when you take full ownership of your journey, you step into a power that few ever realize. You don't need approval. You don't need permission. Everything you need is already within you. Now, it's up to you to use it. Persistence in the unseen creates the seen. Everything begins as an idea, a thought, an unseen vision within your mind. But here's the truth: most people never hold on to their vision long enough for it to become real. They get excited at first, but when results don't appear immediately, they begin to doubt, they second-guess themselves, and eventually they let go of what could have been. Success is not about luck. It is about persistence, holding on to your vision when there is no proof, when there is no evidence, when the world gives you every reason to quit. The unseen work you do, your thoughts, your beliefs, your inner discipline, this is what builds the foundation of your success long before the world recognizes it. The mind is powerful, but it demands consistency. If you constantly switch between belief and doubt, between action and hesitation, you weaken your ability to manifest your goals. Your task is to remain firm, to persist in your vision as though it is already a reality. The longer you hold on to it, the closer it moves toward you. Think about it: every skyscraper, every great invention, every life-changing innovation was once just an idea. The only reason it became real is that someone refused to give up. They believed in their vision when no one else did. They worked in silence, without guarantees, without immediate rewards. And because they persisted, the unseen became seen. You must adopt the same mindset. You must walk through doubt, through obstacles, through moments of frustration without losing sight of your end goal. The world only rewards those who persist long enough to see their dreams materialize. If you hold on to your vision, if you take action, even when results seem invisible, then it is only a matter of time before the world catches up to what you have known all along. Detachment from doubters. The moment you decide to change, to grow, or to chase a vision greater than your current reality, you will encounter doubt not just from within yourself, but from the people around you. Friends, family, colleagues, even strangers may question your choices. Some will express concern, others will outright discourage you, and a few may even mock your ambitions. But you must remember this: that doubt is not your reality unless you accept it. Most people do not doubt you because they want you to fail. They doubt you because they cannot see what you see. They are trapped by their own limitations, their own fears, and their own failures. And when they project those limitations onto you, it is not a reflection of your potential, it is a reflection of their mindset. If you allow their skepticism to influence you, you risk adopting their limitations as your own. True success requires a level of detachment. You must learn to walk your path without seeking approval. The need for validation is a chain that keeps many from ever starting their journey. They wait for permission, for reassurance, for someone to tell them, yes, you can do this. But those who achieve greatness do not wait for permission. They move forward despite the noise, despite the doubts, despite the lack of support. It is not your job to convince others of your vision. It is not your responsibility to make them believe in you. Your only responsibility is to believe in yourself. Because once you succeed, once your results become undeniable, the very same people who doubted you will either admire you or make excuses for why they didn't believe in you sooner. Until that day comes, walk with quiet confidence. You don't need to explain yourself. You don't need to justify your dreams. Let your actions speak. Let your progress be your response. Detach from the opinions that do not serve you, and focus only on the path ahead. The world will catch up to your vision, but only if you stay committed long enough to prove it real. Faith in the unseen is the key to transformation. Before success manifests in your reality, it must first take root in your mind. Every great accomplishment, every breakthrough, every transformation begins with faith. Faith in what is not yet visible. Faith in what others cannot see. Faith in the unseen forces working in your favor. Without this belief, doubt creeps in, hesitation takes over, and progress slows to a halt. Most people only believe in what they can touch, see, and measure. They wait for proof before they commit, for guarantees before they take action. But this mindset keeps them trapped. The truth is, everything you desire already exists in potential. It is simply waiting for you to align with it. And alignment does not come from waiting for evidence, it comes from acting as if your success is already a certainty. Faith is not passive, it is not wishful thinking. It is an active force that demands movement. It means showing up every day, putting in the work, and staying committed even when there is no visible progress. It means trusting that every effort, every sacrifice, every small step is shaping your future in ways you cannot yet see. Those who lack this faith give up too soon. They stop just before the breakthrough, never realizing how close they were. Think of the roots of a tree. Long before the branches reach the sky, the roots grow deep underground, unseen, unnoticed, but essential. Your success works the same way. The foundation is built in silence, in persistence, in unwavering belief when no one else understands. If you stay faithful to your vision, the results will eventually break through the surface. This is why you must hold on to your belief, even when circumstances try to shake it. Even when doubts whisper in your mind, even when the world tells you it's impossible. Your only task is to keep going, to keep believing, to keep moving forward with the conviction that what you seek is already on its way to you. The unseen always precedes the seen. If you master this truth, you master your destiny.